Hi, I'm Cass from J2Play, and in this video I'm going to show you the social engagement features of the J2Play platform built specifically for games. What I want you to keep in mind is that although I'm demoing all this on Facebook, it's the same features across all social networking sites that we support, which include Orkut, Friendster, High5, MySpace, and Bebo, as well as Facebook. So let's get started. The social engagement wrapper that you get with the J2Play platform is this L-shaped bar, which is the top bar, this little sidebar over here, as well as these widgets in the bottom. The play tab is where your game goes, and you can play that game however you want. If it's a single player or multiplayer game, doesn't really matter. So you can just play your game. There is the challenges feature, which makes your game a lot more engaging because there's always a reason for people to come back because they can challenge their friends. The first thing you can do is challenge your friends, which is J2Play friends that you accumulated over time, and it could be friends you added from any social networking site because it's cross social networking enabled. So it could be from Bebo or Facebook in this case. You can also challenge brand new people that you never played with. And it could be from any site, for example, Friendster here, MySpace, Orkut, Facebook, or High5. It supports all of them, and it works between all these sites ubiquitously, so people can always find new people to challenge with. Another common feature is the leaderboards. The leaderboards is just captures your high scores and ranks you based on how well you're doing throughout the whole game across all the social networking sites. So in this case, we have some Facebook people on the top, Orkut, High5, there's Bebo, MySpace. As you can see, it works between all of them. There's two common high score tables. There's the global, so you can see how well you're doing globally, as well as one just local to your friends, so you can see how well you're doing within your friends. Another feature is the badges. The badges allows your it's little goals that you set throughout your game, and you reward people with these badges. So they come back to your game to get these badges more. And each badge also gives out credits to users. Now there is 3 ways you can get credits, which is another engagement feature. You can either get them by just getting those badges, like I mentioned, doing common things around the platform which help build a community more. For example, logging in once a day, or rating games, or inviting friends, and those types of actions within the platform. And the final way you can do this is actually buy these credits. And what you can do with these credits is to buy rewards. So in this case, we have these mobile wallpaper rewards, which people can download to their cell phones. We're going to add more rewards as time goes on. And the final purpose of the credits is that it's deeply tied into the microtransaction system, so people can also use these credits to buy items within your game. So you'll have a little store tab for your game, and you can sell maybe new levels and whatnot. So let's say you put your game up, it's getting some traction, you're getting some users, and you want to create 5 new levels and sell it for 25 cents, or how many credits that comes to monetize your game more. Now I'm going to talk about the sidebar here. So this is where you can chat with your friends and see what they're up to. Also check out your own profile. So profile is another feature which keeps track of the games you're playing, the badges you get, and the friends you have. And you can also browse other people's profiles at the same time and rank your friends. Another feature is the chat room. So there's 3 types of chat rooms. Your game automatically gets a chat room created for it specifically, which shows only people that are playing your game, no matter what platform they're on. Then there's the common chat rooms where people from all different games are thrown together, so you can kind of discuss different topics. For example, we're in a music room, so you can discuss music or any game-related things we want. And as you can see, again, it's cross-network enabled, so there's people from High5, Orkut, Facebook, all playing together and chatting. There's your friends list. Your friends list is automatically imported from your social networking friends. If they have a J2Play enabled game, they'll show up in your list and you can start chatting with them right away. If not, you can invite them so they can start discovering games and play these games with you. There's notifications, which notifies you about events that goes throughout the platform. For example, I gain a credit because I logged in. There's your games, which keeps track of the games you play, your favorite games, most played, friends' favorites, and recent games. That covers most of the sidebar features, and you can chat with friends. Just an example. Hi. Or you can private chat with specific people that you want. Another feature, let's show the ratings and the little widgets I mentioned earlier in the bottom. You can rate your games, so people can tell you how well your game is doing, as well as how many plays the game's got over time. They can also have these little comments here to discuss your game and what they think about it. And then there's the more games, which allows you to discover more games. Because now your app is a little portal that allows people to discover other games through many web methods. You can refer to the viral features video, but I'm just going to show you one feature quickly. So for example, I'm in Lingo right now, as you can see, and I discovered that Yuri's playing Quick Poker. So I can click on that game, and automatically I'm thrown into that game, and I can play it with my same account, same friends, same users. Now I'm in a totally different game. This covers the social engagement features. Thank you.